Good morning, guys. It is 6:54 in the morning on a Saturday. I am up because little man was crying, so I'm about to get him up. We're supposed to have his birthday party today, but and we were supposed to have like a barbecue and a pool party, but it rained pretty much all afternoon and last night. So I don't know if everybody's gonna be able to park in the yard. Don't mind my neighbor's yard. In the yard. And I don't know if they're gonna be able to swim. I'm hoping the rain stays away and the sun will come out. And dry some of this up before 2 o'clock this evening. But yeah, let's just hope, because I gotta finish getting this house straight before about 40 something people come here. So yeah, I think I'm probably gonna get little man from out of his room. I'll probably let the dogs out, take her to the bathroom, and sit and drink my coffee for a few minutes so I can wake myself up, and then try to clean and hope and pray that the rain stays away. But oh look, there's Sissy right there. Oh, badness. My baby girl, but little man's not crying right this minute, so I think I'll just wait and I'll go sit down and drink my coffee. But yeah. I will try to get back up here and let you guys know what's going on. Until later. Hey guys, so I'm thinking that this weather is actually going to turn out okay. You can see the sun is trying to peek out through the clouds. Thank the Lord it's not raining. The party starts at 2 and it is 12:20. So hopefully it will stay like this until about 4 or so, like 4:30 or whatever. So everybody can go outside and enjoy themselves in the pool, and we can have a birthday party go smooth. But yeah, hopefully that works out. I got some food already made up. Here is some pasta, salad, and on the stove I got, some baked beans. And my father-in-law is outside cooking some chicken. We're gonna have barbecue chicken. And we're going to do hot dogs for the kids. And we're gonna have chips and watermelon and all kinds of good stuff. So hopefully this rain will hold off. I'm praying. Praying it'll hold off. But yeah, I will chit chat with you guys in a little bit. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So we just got done with Bentleys birthday party. Everybody left. That's my nephew Landon, and we are going to go bowling. Right? We're gonna go bowl. Yeah, we're gonna go bowl. We're waiting on my husband and my daughter to come back home from over next door, and I'll try to vlog a little bit while we're at the bowling alley. Until we get there. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. No. No? Yes? No? Okay, he's tired. Okay, we're at the bowling alley. We're at the bowling alley? Yeah.
Yeah, we're at the bowling alley.
Hey, Landon.
Hi.
We're waiting on Daddy.
There's Daddy.
It's his turn. Yep.
Oh, you know, just
That's the size.
We're at the bowling alley. Say we'll vlog more when we get to where we're back home. Good morning, everyone. Say good morning. No? Alright. Good morning. We are the only two up right now. And we are letting water out of the pool. As you can see, it's like to the rim there. And that pole where the little blue things are floating, it well, let's just say Friday night my husband was trying to fill it up a little bit before the birthday party yesterday, and we went to town and he forgot about it, so the pool kind of got overfull and started trying to wash the pool legs out. So that one's kind of sitting a little low, and then it's just been raining ever since then too, so it keeps filling back up every time I let the water out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning, letting water out before it rains again, so that the pool doesn't overflow and we don't lose it, because we literally just got this pool. So, and then the dumb dog, he keeps getting on my table there. But yeah, we'll vlog some more when everybody gets up. We figure out what we're gonna do for the day. You say bye? No, you're not even up yet either, are you? You're not ready for this. Me neither. Until later, guys. Bentley, what are you doing?
Where you going?
Are you hiding?
Where you going?
Where'd you go? There you are.
You got their phone?
Say morning.
Bentley, look.
Say morning. Say morning. Daddy.
Okay.
Say we're gonna go get some eat in a little bit at our Mexican restaurant we ate at last Sunday. Say it's kind of a Sunday.
Sunday tradition.
Yeah, Sunday tradition. I can't even say it really right. We got an extra person with us. Well, two extra people, actually. 'Cause Aubrey, I can't show you. She's naked, getting dressed. And then my nephew, which you saw in the first part of this vlog, is with us. Okay.
Boy, I'll get you.
Is Daddy getting you? Okay, Aubrey, we don't need to know everything you're doing in the bathroom.
Oh, boy. Oh. Killing me.
Oh, come on.
Ow.
Right
in the face. Oh, look what I got. But give me that. This is how I feel when he sleeps in here.
Yeah, he's rough. And he kicks like that too in his sleep. Ow.
My belly.
You hurt his toe.
Oh, let me kiss it.
You want to say hi? Wait. There we go.
Yeah. Hi. But we're gonna go eat lunch.
In a little while. We got a couple hours still. It's like breakfast time still.
Hit your head, boy.
I don't know what we are gonna eat.
Where we eat every Sunday?
Where?
Where do we eat every Sunday?
Tell me.
You know where we eat.
No, we don't.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
Yeah. Because we like Three Amigos, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna poop it out.
Oh my God, child, no, don't say that.
What I miss?
Your crazy cousin.
I said I'll poop you stuff out.
We're going to eat lunch at Three Amigos. You want to go eat lunch there? Yeah. You like it, don't you? Yeah, but you don't get to go there much. Huh? No, because he's got...
3 brothers and 1 sister.
You have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Yeah, 2 brothers. And 1 dad and 1 mom.
Yeah.
And 2 dogs.
Yeah.
2 dogs.
He always has a house full of people, so they don't never go anywhere. So when
And yesterday...
we have him, we go out.
And I need to tell you something. Yesterday was my brother's birthday.
Party.
Yeah, his birthday party.
Friday.
Yeah. But, anyways, until lunch.
Bye. Bye.
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So, I did vlog our food, but apparently I wasn't holding the camera right, so it would be like the wrong way on the screen. But we're back home. There's my little teacup chihuahua I was telling you about a couple of vlogs ago. See if you can see outside. It's obviously raining again. It's coming down. So, yeah, we're probably going to just move over. We're probably just going to be stuck in this house for the rest of the day. I'm going to have to take my nephew home later. But they're in my daughter's room playing right now, so. Chica, Chica. Chica. What are you doing, Jojo? She's old, y'all. She's real old. Jojo. Her tongue sticks out like that because she doesn't have teeth. She don't have no teeth in the front, do you, Jojo? No. Don't have no teeth. Say I'm an old lady. Old lady with stinky breath because I gotta eat soft food. But, but yeah. Probably go in the pool because it's raining anyways. It's not lightning or anything. It's just a shower, so. Or might just wait until it stops, but yeah, this is what we're gonna do today, I guess. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here for the day. I'm gonna actually get ready to take my nephew home, so we'll probably get some dinner and then I'll take him home, and then we'll probably give the kids a bath and get ready for bed. And that's probably just about it for the rest of the day. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel because we would really appreciate it. And we will see you all tomorrow.